Yeah, hello YouTube. Yeah, it's another day, and today I want us to check something to do with the backlit. Like right now, I have a screen. Let me put on the laptop. Yeah, this screen is not seeing anything. This screen is not working. I think something is having problems here because I cannot see something inside. Yeah, it's a touch screen. You can see the touch screen. Yeah, the machine is on. You can see the. Let me see the backlit keyboard is on. And you can see that the backlit keyboard is on. Yeah, and I think I can see something inside there. Maybe let me try to see that. Okay, seeing nothing. Okay, let me switch it off and maybe try to see what I can do about it. Okay. So let's come back to yeah, let's go under the microscope. So, under the microscope. Let's try to see what is wrong with this screen. Okay, so I have to take some measurements here on some components. Okay. So the coil here on this chip. Let me see this coil. Let me try to see what's up with this coil. Yeah, the coil is okay. Yeah, the coil is having a value. That's fine. So let's go and check the. Let me see what. Okay, what is this? This chip okay? Yeah, the chip is okay. Okay, let me check these caps here. Yeah, the caps are fine. I think the light is a bit down, so let me try to increase the light. So it's also good to check these caps here. Yeah, the caps are fine. Okay, I have a fuse here, a filter. This is a filter. Let me see this filter. Just a minute. Okay, the screen connector. Where is the screen connector? The screen connector is here. And so we have this filter here. So I don't know whether let me see this filter. Yeah, the filter is okay. So let me check these two caps here. Just a connector, a coil there. Let me check these caps here. Yeah, something is wrong with these two caps here. something. Okay, let me check the filter there. Yeah, something is wrong with that filter too. So let's try to curb this problem here and see what could be happening here. So I think one of these two caps could be causing the short. I'm not sure. I don't know which one. And the only thing to know is to let me come with like 1 volt here. Let me try to see like a voltage here. So let me come with some tweezer. Yeah, we want to be precise and see which one is are we having on both sides. I can see some amperes being drawn. I don't know. Maybe let's come with 2. So maybe I can use some alcohol. Let's see which one is taking what. Let me see which one is. Okay, can I use some light a bit? Yeah, like that, eh? Why am I seeing like 1 cup here is not good? I don't know which is which. Which one can you detect? Okay, let me use some flux maybe. Maybe flux is going to give us a yeah, I can see, you can see the rate at which the flux is being, yeah, and I think this one is having a higher rate than this one, eh? This one is having a higher rate. Yeah, and so let's try to work with that one. Let's first of all get rid of that one and see what is going to happen. Yeah, that's why the fuse is out, because I think this cap is causing the mayhem here, the one causing the problem. So let's get rid of it first and see. So waiting for my hot air station to be a bit hot, so let me come with it here. Be very careful not to burn the screen. Let's just put it aside like that, so it's not touching anything else. Yeah, so let's come again with an injection again. So let me see. Yeah, now I can't see anything. I think something is not happening now. So let me try to do a jumper here with it for this fuse. Let me try to do a jumper. So where is my solder, guys? Who took my solder here? Who took my solder here? Get it here. Let me get rid of this. Very important, remember to remove the ground of the power supply so that you can short the screen. Always remove the ground. Make sure you're removing the ground. So some more flux a bit. I'm looking for a jumper. You guys know where my jumper is, and you're not telling me. Okay, just a minute. Yeah, I think I got it. So let's see now. Okay. Agencies or by police officers or security officers not who refuse to identify themselves, who refuse to say for what offense they're taking somebody, and who do not disclose when they're taking something. I believe yesterday, it is the fact that the media, well, the social media went viral. That's the only reason they took Bonnie to Cameroon. Otherwise, if they were taking him to the police station, why was it so difficult to say so at the point they picked him? Why was it difficult to say we are police officers, we are here for this and that offense? I believe if it were not for social media and entertainment and for the media general, for the Aslam Black brothers not have been released and they do not know what would have become of them. I know there are many other people being picked who do not have networks that can cry out for them. And some never return. We now know the Cambodia gentleman whom they abducted. One week. I think my mat is not very friendly here because you can see the image is getting disrupted all the time. Denzel Omondi, who was picked the Chelsea protest and faced in a foreign debt. The Kenya National Commission on Human Rights listed 61 over 60 people, if you like, missing. We do not know whether they are listed and who else is missing. Okay, you can see it's still, yeah, the complex is very tiny. Very, very tiny. You can see even the microscope is struggling to okay, let me see. I have to make sure that wire is not touching any other part. Have it centered. Okay, let me test with the multimeter. I think it's a bit finer, so I think we will test this screen now. We can do a little bit of cleanup. A little bit of cleanup here and there. Okay.
They need the thing that they need. Then you had a big majority of yes. And you don't get a big majority. And people make a constitution. You need it now.
Yeah, James, you requested me to make this video, so I hope you are watching this. James, your video is here now, so you can refer to this one. Yeah, so let's come out of the microscope mode and maybe test this one. See whether we have done anything. There can only be two outcomes. Either we have been able to fix, or we have done nothing, or we have done totally nothing. Let's find out. Let's find out together. Let's find what? Let's find out. So screen is on. And you can see we have been able to fix that. Yeah, it's working. Yeah, so Mr. John and Mr. I hope you're able to see that. Yeah, I've done several videos about this, and I was not hoping that I'll be making another video very soon. But unfortunately, some people are not able to follow through the first examples that we did. So I'm forced to do another one here. Maybe this one could have a different method of teaching you guys. And that's it for today, guys. Yeah, let's meet next time. Yeah, any question, you can put it down in the comment. Okay. Yeah.